Hi, again, thank you for visiting my channel, Simon Felix, YouTube 614. So tomorrow, God willing, I will do the mulching. Mulching is putting anything, cardboard, uh, it's like green, fresh things that you need to put into. Then cover it, yeah? Cover it with grasses so that it will make the soil moisture. So even if you go on holiday without watering, the plants or vegetable will continue to grow. So this is it. I'm doing it slowly but surely. So it's getting late now, and the background, you see, I slowly flatten the grasses using this cardboard paper, yeah, cardboard. And also the back. So that's it. My surroundings and everything I'm doing daily, I'm showing you and updating you. We pray that you will subscribe and you'll see the beauty of my garden slowly but surely. Yeah, that side I will uh, put fertilized soil and plant lettuce, Brussels sprouts, everything that's in my possession, seeds that I'm going to plant. So this is the position of my garden at the moment. Quite heavy, so I need to use my other hand. See the beautiful garden, tarpaulin where I normally planted my runner beans. And also besides that is the tomatoes. I will put some cherry. I think I bought cherry tomatoes. I've got so many seeds that I'm planning to plant or just we call it seeding. So my friend, I pray that you will subscribe and see the beauty of my garden, the beauty of my vegetables. Yeah, I've got my own house also. So this summer, start of summer is June up to July. Up to July, August, September, my my smartphone Apple is telling me that battery is low. Anyway, don't worry. Pray and hope that I could make more of this video. Mulching is where you put cutted grass, put a cardboard, could put a paper, the green, the dry, the green, the dry. Then water it. We call it mulching. tired. So that's it. A beautiful garden. So let's move to this place. See it. And on this side, yeah, I put lots of cardboard to flatten all the grasses. Because that is the easiest way to make the soil fertile, and to make ready the time that I'm gonna plant. God willing, tomorrow I will make ready or show you everything I'm gonna plant. Because I'm quite busy, I'm doing so documentary application form that I need to finish. And then this is why I'm just doing this gardening part-time. So I pray and hope that you will be patient to see many things regarding my garden. I'm very thankful that you will continue visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm just showing you that's my neighbor. Lots of grasses. He's not well. This is why, with God's grace, I'm doing my best to make my property safe so that you will see the difference or anything that I could make daily. Okay? I pray and I hope that you will subscribe so that you will see more and click the notification button so that every time I post, you will be the first to watch my video. Again, my friend, thanks a lot for visiting my channel, and also thanks for subscribing. Okay? Bye for now. God bless.